I am initiating a brief, unscheduled appearance. I trust the lawn is adequately hydrated.
Looks like someone didn't skip leg day.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't mess with the lawn.
Armor pressure at 95%.
And that, folks, is what we call a plasma barrage. Hope you brought sunscreen.
A brilliant billionaire, inventor, and philanthropist.
Not the Oval Office, damn it!
Strategic deployment initiated. Let's see how this overgrown reptile handles a little high-tech acupuncture.
Not a fan of the cologne, honestly. Good thing I packed the Mark 90's latest deflection array.
Nothing says patriot like upgrading your hardware over Pennsylvania Avenue. Activating Mark 90 protocols.
The Python Buster is fully optimized. Let's see if SIL can top this shade of green. Just bit the wrong billionaire. Next time, I'll bring pest control. Make sure it's tax deductible.